Hey guys, today we're making pina coladas. Start off with 2/3 cup of frozen pineapple or regular pineapple, half a cup of coconut cream, and a 1/3 cup of coconut milk. Disclaimer, I just used regular milk because I ran out of coconut milk, then I added some ice, and I attempted to twist this on. I don't know why they make it so hard to twist. I forgot the nutmeg, so I added in a pinch. Do not skip this ingredient. It makes the pina colada so refreshing and so good. Then I added in half a lime. This recipe is from Rosanna Pansino, and she uses a big blender in her video. And I have a big blender, but I didn't feel like taking it out, so I used the small blender. I definitely should have taken it out because this blender doesn't blend as close as the big blender. So I had to add some more milk and scrape down the sides every couple seconds. This is definitely a very thick pina colada, so it's very hard to pour. I transferred it to measuring glass and it was still hard to pour, so I ended up just scooping it with a spoon. I just had to use this mini umbrella for a finishing touch. This really is the perfect pina colada. Even though I never had one before, it's definitely the best one I ever had.